Hey guys, welcome to this next episode of the Frenergy channel / the Vegans Book channel. And here's our next test subject for our video series. It's going to be the organic potato. So potatoes, well, they grow directly in the earth. So I'm wondering, do they pull a higher amperage and a higher voltage than a typical lemon or banana, since it grows off the tree and not out of the ground, pulling energy out of the ground? I guess we're going to find out. So I'm going to stick my thick copper wire piece in the potato, and I'm going to stick this zinc screw in the potato, and we're going to see what our results are. So give me 1 minute here, guys. Okay, so we got it turned or plugged in here, plugged into our potato battery. That's what we'll call it. So let's turn it to volts. Once again, I'm still getting 0.87 of a volt, and this one's higher on the milliamp readings. It says I'm getting 250 consistent milliamps right now. Yep, 250. Let's see if my little alligator clips are making any difference with the amperage.
I just opened up the dryer and all of our stuff's still soaking.
To the alternating current setting, and I am pulling 1.2 volts of alternating current. 1.2 volts. I have not been testing alternating current in my previous videos, but I'm about to start to do that. So stay tuned, guys. Hope this was informative. Oh, let me show you the amperage, DC amperage. $202 microamps. Not very much. 209, yeah. But I am kind of curious about this alternating current that is being produced inside of here. Guess we'll find out more in the next videos, guys. Peace out.